You want me to start?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. So we are gonna get ready together. What are you gonna do, Brie?
I'm gonna do just skincare. So I have lately just not been wanting to wear makeup to the office. So I'm gonna do like a mask. I'm gonna do some before and after, kind of all that stuff, and I'll talk about the products. And then you're gonna do makeup, right?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna do like a,
Yeah.
this is our get ready video. Only
Brought my
she's
little-
gonna do skincare and I'm gonna do some makeup.
And I brought my little.
I just plucked my mustache, so that's why my face is so red.
Well, I look like I'm about to go to a spa. I don't even know what's happening.
Sorry guys, I'm not meaning to yell at you. Yes, I love these face wipes. So these are, I think it's Juju, volcanic lava. They are exfoliating wipes.
Ooh.
They're awesome. Yeah, I get them on Amazon. So they get to my house very quick, but I really do love the smell of them. All my clients really love the smell of them too, and it just kind of gives you a nice exfoliation before you moisturize. Oh, you look so good.
Great. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna just use a little bit of micellar water. I had some moisturizer on earlier today, so I'm just gonna take that off before I do a mask.
Nice. What mask are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna do the Lindstrom,
Problem
the
solver.
Problem Solver.
Yeah. Nice. I love that stuff.
Yeah, I did. They also have that amazing, the honey mud one, and I did that the other day. So I feel like I'm definitely in the mood for some like detox.
Yeah, hard reset.
You mix it with water, so it's like equal parts. I actually like mine to be more thick than watery,
Mine too.
but that's personal preference. So, and this thing's huge. A little bit goes a long way. Like I'm gonna have this thing for years.
A year.
Sometimes I'll put it into like a little container and mix it that way, but for today, I'm just using a spatula. I'm just gonna mix it in my hand. So what are you thinking you want to do for a look today? I've got this like carrot thing happening up here.
You always have a carrot
I know.
thing happening up there.
My ginger hair. I'm gonna steal that mirror from you.
Okay.
Because otherwise I have no idea where this is going. I don't recommend using a really sharp spatula. I have eyelash extensions on right now, so I'm gonna do a mask below the eyes. That way I don't get any water in them. Sometimes I like to not do my forehead every time I do a mask, because at least for me, I feel like the texture is a little bit different. So you can see, super easy. This thing, I start to look like I'm like camouflage going into the woods, go hunting or something.
It's so true.
Right? Like G.I. Jane.
Yes. That's amazing.
My heart, G.I. Jane. He likes doing things as well.
Yeah, does he ever do problem
He
solver?
has a Dead Sea mud mask that he does. His is more blue-green and he likes it because he feels like a G.I. Jane. So, but same kind of stuff. Like powder, mix it, all that jazz.
Yeah.
So it's really funny because he'll walk around the house in his underwear and his mask.
And I am just doing an eye primer, so I am putting the Kat Von D. I really like these eye primers actually, so it's a color correcting eyeshadow primer. I like it because it kind of doubles. This is obviously a shade way darker than my natural skin tone, but I really do like the warmth. It definitely cancels out any darkness in my eyes, but then it acts as an eyeshadow. And my eyes are kind of a blue-green, and whenever I wear this, like orangey brown color, it makes them look more green, and I can just pack more shadow on top.
I like that idea of doing a primer that's not the same like skin tone as your
Yeah.
skin. So like thinking about if you're doing a darker eye or maybe like more of a color matching, right? Like if you're
Yeah.
going for certain tones, like start your base to be in that family as well. Like
Yeah.
if you're doing warm, stay with the warm primer. If you're doing cold, stay with cold.
And then like before it's dry, I'll just, before it's set, I'll just take like a soft brush and I'll just soften the edges out. And honestly, you guys, like what I wanted to do today was my like if I was coming into the office and I just wanted to look polished, but I didn't want to like get ready, this is what I would wear. Like I want to have good eyes, clean skin,
Yeah.
all that jazz. So these are some of my go-tos. Like this is like my
Like
everyday
day-to-day,
stuff.
yeah. I had to get my cup of happy.
I have tea. So your cup of happy. I have
My cup of happy.
I have
Frankenstein.
What's his name? It's his name. It's the guy from.
Oh, Munster.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Gosh, my stuff's very, very hot. It's the Iredale's Glow Time BB Cream, and I just did that like on my brow bone, And just because I like to have like a little warmth in my crease, I'm just gonna use my bronzer. Like I just like to have like a soft bronze tone, and I'm just gonna use the 232 brush from Smith. So that's all I'm gonna do. Yeah, I love those. Yep. I just like that it's warm, and like this particular bronzer, it's just milled much finer. Like the powder's softer, it's easy to blend, and I just want my eyelid to look like skin. I don't want it to look like, I don't need anything crazy for my day to day.
If you guys can see, it's totally starting to dry now, so it almost has more of like a gray finish to it. And your skin gets a little bit tight, not anywhere uncomfortable whatsoever. So I'm almost pretty much at the point now where I can take this off.
I love that mask. I usually leave mine on for like 20 minutes, but you can leave it on, like I'll just be home working on my computer. I'll just leave it on for hours. I'm gonna buff it at the lash line, and then one of my favorite brushes to use to kind of blend it out is like a smudger brush. So let me find my smudger.
And then I'm just taking water on cotton pads. Easy as pie. Oh, let's talk about our office.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we just moved into a new space, which just around Thanksgiving. We're so freaking excited. It's been so nice to have this, what you're seeing behind you guys. But anyways, new space. This is our headquarters. It's in a really cute area. Super easy to get to, tons of parking, and we use this from everything from just our day-to-day kind of office stuff that we do for the agency. We use it for stuff like this for filming, for clients. Okay, so removed my skin feels great. I wanted to talk about one other cleanser thing that I was gonna do before my mask, and I kind of forgot to do it. But anyways, the Sonia Roselli Japanese cleansing oil. I absolutely love this stuff. I have one at home for myself, and I have one in my kit. I normally, before I would do that mask, I would kind of go in with this and do just a nice like cleanse to kind of get everything off. It's like, and it's like, I feel like it's really fancy.
You feel like that's
I'm gonna spray
Ooh, I want some.
So nice. It's just like,
it's really fabulous.
I know. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then another thing I've been really loving is for my skin, witch hazel. And I feel like it's super old school, but I also kind of love it. And I used to use it a lot, and then I took a break from doing that, and then I recently started doing it again. So what did you use to kind of go darker towards your lash line?
So I used all the melt liners. So the yeah, so all the melt liners. I'm still doing that, guys.
Very cool.
Okay. So now I'm ready to curl my eyelashes, and then this is a mascara that I've been using. It is actually, I keep forgetting who this is from. This is a grocery store. I was like, I'll take it.
For today, I'm going to use Rosehip oil. So I've got a nice big bottle of it here, and I love to put a couple of drops of this. Really, really good for your skin. It minimizes the appearance of wrinkles. It's really rejuvenating. I've also heard from people that it's great for like eczema or acne or anything like that. So all over, it's just like a really, really good essential oil. So I always take a couple of drops and mix it into my moisturizer, and then I apply it onto the face from there. You could easily too, it's actually an oil that you don't have to dilute, you can put it right onto your skin. So if you wanted, if you just needed a little bit of something throughout the day and you already have moisturizer on, a couple of drops in the palms and just press it into the skin. Especially for us in the desert too, like you can stuff with that. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm
whether
using
it's your foundation or your moisturizer, your tinted moisturizer.
25.
Yeah.
So I'm just using that same BB cream you guys saw when I put on my brow bone, like on my face. And this is a pretty full coverage, so like I have the tiniest little bit of it on my hand. I'm just taking the synthetic brush. I think this is from Make It Nope, Juice Beauty. I'm actually really love the shape of this brush, but this is a really full coverage BB cream, so I'm just taking it lightly all over all over my face, and then I'm actually going to do the Iredale powder. I like that powder on my skin type. I'm oily, so I get super shiny really easy, and what I like is that it doesn't like, I mean, it looks just like skin. Like, I look powdery at first, but then 10-15 minutes later, it's fine.
Yeah, and I'm the opposite of Stephanie. I'm like, throw as much oil on my face as possible.
I wear my oils at night because I can't wear them during the day, otherwise my makeup will literally fall off my face.
Yeah, yeah.
So I have to do all my oils and treatments at night.
Yeah, but that's always a good thing, right? Like, you have to kind of experiment with what works for you, because different things are really off to different skin tones. Like you said, some stuff you can do at night, some stuff you can do during the day, all that jazz.
Cool. I like that. It's just light, not a lot. I'm gonna do a little powder now. Yeah, does it look good?
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm a little red, obviously, because I just did a detox mask. But again, me today, I'm just doing skin stuff.
Let's just use a soft brush in this. Let's use a royal brush. And just kind of press it into the skin. So you guys will notice this will give me a little bit more coverage. It'll take away that matte look. But it's not gonna like look or feel heavy. Like, honestly, I can still even see that blemish a little bit, and I don't really care. Like, I feel like as long as my redness is kind of evened out and my skin looks really nice and smooth and pretty, I'm happy. It's my day to day, I'm happy.
Yeah. So the next oil, I have to take my hands off. It's too oily. My mom gave me an oil for Christmas.
What?
And it's an all natural skincare. So my mom is a super huge hippie and gets most of her products I'm from Boston, so she gets a lot of products from, she'll go into New Hampshire, she'll go to Portsmouth, or she'll go to Newburyport, Massachusetts, and there's a lot of like organic, cruelty-free, all that type of stuff, whether it's skincare or anything. So she's always going up to those little towns and picking out different products and sending them to me because she loves doing that. So this one's called Face Food, and this is the Dawn Renewal, and it's for your face or your eye serum. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of it under the eye. It's super cute packaging, and it came with a nighttime one as well. So there's 2 different oils that you can use, but this is a really nice, all natural little something. So I'm just gonna put this under the eye.
And I'm just taking my bronzer, that same one I did in my crease. It's from Tarte Cosmetics. I really love it. I think it's their Amazonian Clay one, so it's that nice bronzy tone. And I'm just warming up my face a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just so I look like I've got some dimension.
So that's that one. And then the other product from Face Food is super cute. It looks like a mini deodorant.
It does look like a mini.
This one is it's called a baby face balm, but it's for like chapped lips, cheeks, eczema, anything like that, because like when you remember, when we were on the East Coast for Christmas, just the wind like on your face. So
oh my gosh,
your face so dry.
I was like, my face hurts, where am I? So I got my bronzer, my blush on. I would like to just kind of take my foundation brush one more time and just like make sure everything's nice and soft and blended. There's nothing on this at all,
So I'm using that Face Food here. It's like a little bitty deodorant.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just using it on my lips today, but it smells really good. It's like super natural. Like there's nothing in there.
Ooh, that smells so good.
So,
I love that.
Yeah, but it's cute too because you can like put it on your cheeks. You literally, I
can put on my dry nose right now.
Yeah, literally, that's what it's for. And I thought that was so cute because seriously, in the winter, I mean, it's like this area, right, that's always exposed. It's just like whipped and chapped always.
I know. Okay, I'm using my BH Cosmetics. I have the Auburn brow pencil. I love it because it's got like the brush on one side, the color on the other. And I don't get too crazy with my brows in everyday life. I just like to give them a little body, a little volume, action. had it. I know I had it. Okay, so this is just the NYX Control Freak. Super simple. And my brows microbladed too, so I still have that like guide from what I had before.
Yeah.
It's like it needs to be touched up.
Let me see.
Looks great. Yeah, okay.
I like this. I know you for a while. You've been like changing.
I've been hating my brows.
Yeah.
Like I've just been like trying new things. I do love that product, so it's like I love all the products I have. It's not the product, like, and clearly I've been filling my brows in forever, but I just feel like hating how they've been looking lately. I don't know. Like me too. Little Melt Cosmetics. I just want like a little glow in spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on, and then yeah, I'm gonna use one of their lip colors too. So one of my favorite things to do, because their lip colors are pretty full pigment, as you guys probably know if you've ever worn their stuff before. And so I have this color here that I really, really love. It's called French Kiss. But yeah, it's so pretty. I'm not gonna take my Paw Paw off though, so that way it's gonna diffuse this lip liner a little bit.
It almost
make it a little
makes
bit
it
more
more
natural.
like a stained balm.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, so just lightly dusting it on.
You're so funny.
You guys.
I think what I love too is when you do, especially if you have a lip liner that's super matte, so it's almost drying, like you almost feel like it drags when it goes on the lips. If you leave a lip balm or kind of like a burn cream, whatever you have on your lips before, instead of blotting off the excess, if you leave a lot of that on there, it will glide that.
Yeah, because like, see, I'm still getting a lot of depth, but it'll be easy.
It just almost diffuses it, like you said, but then it makes it a lot easier to apply onto your lips, so it's not kind of catching and dragging on texture.
I love this. Yeah, I just want like blot. So I like the color, but almost like, and I like the way it still went on softer, but I'm gonna go ahead and blot a layer of this off just so it's nice and soft. Okay,
perfect. It's like you made your own kind of stain. Definitely.
So I
exactly what it is.
Like blotted it off, and then I love that. Perfect. Just makes it look like I have warm lips.
Lovely.
Yeah. So that's like honestly, you guys, like, you know, I think on video it does like look like it takes a little longer, but like I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, like you can look polished. And honestly, if I had lash glue sitting out while I was doing other things, I could pop on some lashes right now and it would take 2 seconds. So yeah, that's.
Or even if you kind of like combined the two things that we did, right? So like you started with my whole side of everything I did with the mask, all the skin prep, and then you went in and did the eyes like Stephanie did. Let all of that stuff soak into your skin, and then finish off just like she did with her face and her lips. You could literally combine the two things that we just did and have a perfect finished face for the day, and it would still only take you, outside of mask, would take you maybe 30 minutes, if that.
Totally.
So super easy to do for day to day.
Done. I'm ready.
Done and done.
Yeah.
You're ready.
Yeah,
I'm not.
Good. Yeah, no, I really love these like everyday tips. Like, thanks for getting ready with us, guys. Yeah. We will print everything. Link everything below.
We'll snail mail you
We are
a
gonna
list
mail
of
you
products.
Okay. God. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good